Hello, I'm Vaidotas and today I'm going to teach you how to add a video to a WordPress website. Let's get to it. As people now prefer watching videos over reading text, including a video on your WordPress site can help you attract visitors, improve engagement, and even increase conversions. And there are several methods that you can use, including WordPress built-in blocks and plugins. You might be wondering, can I just upload videos to my site directly? Yes, you can, but let me tell you why it isn't a good idea. Essentially, uploading the videos is an easy way to add them to your WordPress website, but it can negatively impact the website in various ways. A high-quality video can take up between a few hundred megabytes to several gigabytes of storage. For shared hosting users, this type of file can quickly fill up your storage space. Also, most hosting plans come with a bandwidth limit, so the more people watch your video at the same time, the more bandwidth it will require. With limited bandwidth and storage, visitors will likely experience lags or sudden pauses when streaming your videos and accessing other site pages. This will cause a bad user experience, leading to traffic loss or even crashing your site. To avoid this, I recommend embedding videos instead. This way you can save bandwidth and storage space while also providing an excellent user experience for site visitors. Now I'll show you 3 different ways to embed a video in your WordPress site using the WordPress block editor. The first and simplest method is to use the block editor. It lets you embed content from many third-party websites like Twitter, TikTok, and YouTube. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to embed a YouTube video in a WordPress blog post. To get started, log into your WordPress dashboard. Select the post where you want to embed the video. Of course, you can also create a new post if you want to. I'm going to choose this post and open it with the WordPress block editor. Click the post area where you want to add the video and click the plus button on the top left corner of the screen. You can either scroll down to the embed section or type in YouTube to find the corresponding block. Next, go to YouTube and find the video that you wish to embed. Then, copy its URL and head back to the editor. Paste the video's URL on the YouTube block and click Embed. Now, the video will automatically be embedded into the post. Click Preview to see how it looks on the site and Update to save the changes. If it's a new post, hit the Publish button once you're done. Adding an iframe. You can also embed a video by using iframes. To insert an iframe in WordPress, you'll need a special HTML code. But don't worry, it's actually pretty easy to get. Open the YouTube video you want to embed. For example, I'm going to add this How to Fix Error 522 video for a blog post. Just click the Share button and you'll see a pop-up with several sharing options. Select Embed and YouTube will display an iframe code along with some options. The Start Ad box lets you choose an exact timestamp, which is great if you only want to highlight a certain part of the video. Check the Show Player Controls box to include all the overlay buttons. And finally, I recommend enabling the Privacy Enhanced mode. It means that the embedded content will not influence the viewer's browsing experience on YouTube. Once you're done, click the Copy button. Next, head back to your WordPress post. We can add the video anywhere by using the Custom HTML block. Click the plus icon and search for the Custom HTML block. All we have to do is paste the code we copied earlier into the HTML block. To have a quick look at the video, switch from HTML to Preview. And that's it, the post now contains the video. Using video embedding plugins. Another option for embedding videos in WordPress is using a video embedding plugin. The 2 plugins I recommend are Video Pack and HTML5 Video Player. If you want to add a responsive and engaging video to WordPress, then Video Pack may be the best option. It lets you customize thumbnails for each video and display them as a pop-up. Also, there are multiple resolution options available, so the video quality will automatically be adjusted based on the size of your video player. However, Video Pack isn't suitable for embedding third-party source videos, since it doesn't support all video sources. For embedding YouTube videos, for example, it recommends using WordPress built-in functionality. So, if you wish for a more versatile and flexible plugin, HTML5 Video Player may be a great choice. This plugin allows you to embed a video player in your WordPress posts, pages, widget areas, as well as template files. Its interface is user-friendly, which makes it ideal for beginners. The plugin also offers 2 built-in blocks and a shortcode generator, allowing you to add videos from third-party hosts like YouTube, Vimeo, and Amazon S3 without any coding. However, the plugin's free version is quite limited, so I recommend checking HTML5 Video Player Pro. Embedding videos in a sidebar. If you would like to embed a video in your WordPress sidebar, follow these steps. On your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance, then Customize, and select Widgets. Depending on the theme you're using, there might be multiple sidebar areas available. Select the area where you want to add your video and click the Add a Widget button. Now just type video on the search bar. The video widget will show up once you click it. Since we're embedding a YouTube video, after clicking the Add Video button, choose Insert from the URL. Simply paste the YouTube URL and you'll see a preview of the video. The last thing to do is make it live by clicking the Save and Publish button. And that's it. You've learned 3 different ways to embed videos in WordPress. Go ahead and try them out and let us know which one works best for you. Before we wrap this up, make sure to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorials like this one. If you have any feedback or further questions, write them in the comment section below. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.